Okay guys, now we're going to look at the roof. So at first this might look really complicated to you. There's a lot of individual pieces and components here. But I'm going to break it down and show you some of the main things here. Is this piece up top, which is called the ridge beam, and it extends across the whole entire building, the whole span of the roof. And then off the ridge beam come the rafters. So the ridge beam is kind of like the spine, and the rafters are like the ribs. Now these rafters here connect up at the top to the ridge beam and then extend all the way down and rest on the top plate. And remember, the top plate is attached to the concrete bond beam. Typically, where the rafter meets the top plate will be a certain cut, and this cut is called a bird's mouth cut. And this will allow it to fit precisely on top of the top plate. So next I'm going to add what's called the roof fascia. And that's this piece here that connects on the end of each rafter. And then on top of that, we're going to add the roof sheathing. Then typically you put the roofing felt on top of that, and we'll put the vent. You'll see up here, there's actually a gap left up top, and this is to allow air to go through from the bottom into the rafter area and ventilate out the top. So this helps to keep your building cooler. And then on top of that, we add the vent to keep debris and insects or animals out of it. And the final membrane would be, in this case, the roof shingles. And then where the shingles meet the fascia, we'll add the Eave Flashing, and this will prevent water from tracking into the wood and will help the water shed off the roof.